Hey guys, welcome to the Modern Composers channel. Today I'm gonna start a new series on the Behringer 2600, and it's about patching all those old original ARP 2600 patches from the patchbook from 1971. So the idea is to realize all those patches. I'm gonna work my way through those patches and explain them a little bit and extend them maybe a little bit, and we'll see how it goes and have fun. So this patch is the Marimba Roll. It's very simple. It uses the oscillator 1, which is here with this switch. It is in the LFO rate, and it is used to modulate the pitch of the oscillator 2. And it sounds like this. And I'm going to use this modulation. So it's like this. So let's move on to the second sound. I've used a pad here from the Mother 32 to have this foundation. This patch utilizes the VCO3 with the sawtooth, and it goes to the filter and has a very smooth envelope. And I'd say maybe we add even a little portamento. So this is a classic 70s lead sound. So this is the third batch. It's the trucker bass. Again, as a batch with only one oscillator in use. This time it's the oscillator number 2, and it is going to the filter, and the filter frequency is totally down. It is opened by the RDSR, as you can see here. So this is open, and the RDSR of my keyboard is triggering. It's opening the filter, and then it's going directly to the output. Okay, let's get started. I'm using the DFAM drummer from another Mother 2 to give some bass support here. The next patch is called Octabass. It's very similar to the one we just had, and therefore I added, to make it a bit more modern, a bit of FM modulation from the saw oscillator waveform from oscillator 1 to oscillator 2. It sounds like this. Batch number 5 is the Wonder Clavinet. We use the VCO2 and we send it to the filter, and the ADSR is triggered by the keyboard. It's not a very interesting sound, I have to admit, so I just added more resonance as in the patchbook, and I added a distortion. Fairfield distortion pedal to make the sound more compelling. So this is the sixth patch. We have a very special situation here. The oscillator 2 is working as an LFO, and it is manipulating oscillator 1 and oscillator 3 as well. So we can use this here a little bit. I've just used this cable, which is not in the original patch, because the original 2600 seemed to have VCO2 input here, and now they changed it for the LFO. So I just took it here from the sine actually. Yeah, I have added delay here, the DL4. To make it a bit more evolving and sustaining, because we don't have any polyphony here. So the string sweetener. So this one is the Tubular Chimes, the seventh one. We make use of the ring modulator here. So VCO 1 and 2 go to the ring modulator, which is the only sound source going into the filter. And the filter is opened by the ADSR, and the VCA is opened by the AR envelope. Alright, this is the eighth sound. It uses a vibrato brought in with the second oscillator set to LFO mode, as we see here, and it's fed into the third oscillator, which is using it's bringing the saw wave into the filter. I added a reverb, again the DL4, as in the patch before. I didn't mention that, to make it a bit more playable. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. This was the first part of the basic instruments, so check out the next video and all the upcoming patching videos.